Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to print a note or a document from OneNote, then this video is for you. So right now I'm on Microsoft Notebooks or the OneNote. So let's create a new notebook here. Like I'm going to add anything like XYZ, and here you can see it is creating the notebook here. So you have to wait until it create a notebook, or you can use your existing notebook that are currently you have or you have created and now you want to print. Then you can simply click on that and you can follow the rest of the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So you can see it has just created here. So I'm going to try something like test. It is for test purpose here. So this will help you to print this page. One thing you can do is you can click Ctrl plus P button together, Ctrl plus P button together to print this page from here. So if I simply click on Ctrl plus P together, you can see the print pop-up has just appear on my screen. Now you have to choose the printer that I have this printer right now. You have to choose the printer, then you can choose the page. You can choose the custom page here, or you can choose all the page. Then you can select the copies, how much copies you want to print. Then you can find the layout option here, that is portrait or the landscape. You can select the landscape just like this, or you can also select the portrait just like this. Then you can select the color, that colorful or the black and white you want. Now you can find the more settings, like you can select the paper size, you can select A4 or A6, A5. Then you can page per sheet, you can select margin, scales option also like this. Now only this print, simply click on this print button here and it will start printing this page if your PC is connected to your printer properly through the wired connection or the wireless connection. So make sure that it is connected properly with your printer, so get rid of any type of hassle. Or you can hit the enter button. So if the Ctrl plus P button is not working, then you can do is here you can find at the top left corner, you can find the file option. Simply click on it and you can find the print option. Again, simply click on this print here and you can find the same page and the same settings that you can do. Then simply click on this print button and it all you have to do to print the page from through your printer. So only the troubleshoot that you can make, only thing that you have to make sure that your printer is connected with your PC successfully and you have the driver, but the printer driver downloaded and installed on your PC to avoid any type of hassle or issue. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.